Let's unbox this package that I got from a subscriber turned sister all the way from New Jersey. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. We are 6K strong, guys, and I am so grateful to you all for taking a minute or taking some seconds to subscribe, like, comment on my videos. I really appreciate and I am super grateful to you all. Thank you so much. I love you all. May Allah continue to bless you guys. So this is what she sent to me, and I am so happy. Everything smells so good. The box itself was smelling so nice. Like you could tell that there is a bakur or like there's a perfume in here, but everything smells so nice. I did not even know that she was sending all this package. She just told me that she's sending a sample of some bakurs, but I did not know it would come with some extra gifts. So she sent some coals, and the coals are backflow coals. Then she sent some Omani frankincense. So I explained to her that I have not perceived some of this stuff that she sent, and she got them because she is so nice. She got them for me, and then yeah, so this is the another call too, and then this is another call. So she sent a lot of coal, and guys, this is my the coal smells so good. Like they did not play when making that coal. The coal is very nice. It is very long lasting. She sent some amber, she sent some frankincense, she sent some mica sheets, she sent a lot of items that I can use in my trial. She sent me this wood chips. I have never in my life come across a wood chips that smells so good. And guys, she also added these gifts for me. So I was surprised when I saw this. She gifted me this label maker, and the label maker's quality is so good. Like it's not like the one we get from China. This one is very good. The quality is top notch. And in my last video, I made the video in Hausa, but I was talking about Badra, and she sent me some bee dust, enchant bee dust, and this smells so good. This is a dust you can apply on your body, then you apply perfume on it. I'm going to make like a proper review of all those I'm going to like make a proper review video and then drop it after this one, inshallah. So this is some sarkatani incense. Sorry, this is some try incense, the Senegalese try incense, and everything, like I said, everything smells so amazing. The vendors that make all these items did a very good job. Like they are very nice, and everything smells so good. Everything you when you perceive the scent, you know you're perceiving like something of good quality, something with like good quality. And then so this is the bakur, and the bakur is from a very good brand. Yes, so these are the bakurs. She sent me four different bakurs. These bakurs, they cost a lot for this size, but they smell so good. I see why it is very expensive. They are muattars, they smell so good, they last so long in the room and the home. So she sends Cambodia oud, she sends Zafran oud, she sent oud and then sandalwood. So I and then she also sent like some sample of some sandalwood powder, and guys, that's it. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys like this product up close and give you guys a proper review of all these items. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.